Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a splash screen for a food delivery app in Adobe XD. A splash screen is a graphical control element that appears while a game or an application is launching. Splash screen contains an image, a logo, and the current version of the application. Okay, let's jump into the video. First, we're going to create an artboard. For creating an artboard, you need to select the artboard tool and select any of the predefined artboards on the right side of the window. For this tutorial, I'm using iPhone 6, 7, 8 Plus. Okay, let's make a logo. For that, I will select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Then align it to the center. Now I'm gonna make the edges of the rectangle curved. For that, you can change the value of the border radius to a higher value or just click and drag any of the dots on the corner of the rectangle. Now I'm gonna select an image from my folder. I'm using an SVG image. Let's reduce the size of the image and place that inside the rectangle. Now, I'm gonna change the background color of the artboard. The color code I am using is #FFC100. Let's change the background color of the rectangle to a darker color. I'm using pure black here. Then, I will change the color of the SVG image to white. Now, I'm gonna add the title of the app. Select the text tool, then click on the artboard and start typing. I'm gonna type hot food. Okay, this is too big. Let's reduce the font size. Now place it under the logo. I'm using Roboto font family for the text, and I will keep the font weight to bold. Then I'm gonna change the color to black. Once you have this, select all the element and group it. Use Ctrl G or Command G for grouping. After that, align it to the center of the artboard. So, there you have it guys. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.